Hello everyone, welcome to Madhyamik Ashram Shala and Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Junior College, Rajputwadi. So guys, today we are going to learn new concept genetic terminology. Already study with gene, trait, factor, character, etc. This concept already study. So guys, new concept study allies. Allies means the two or more alternatives form of a given gene or factor are called as allies of each other. Allies means two or more दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा जीन फॉर्म होत असतील form each other is called as allies. Next concept dominant. What is mean by dominant? It is an ally that express the trait in the presence of alternative allies that is heterozygous condition. Dominant असा कॅरेक्टर आहे की ओनली ऑन हेट्रोझायगस कंडिशन त्याच्याकडूनच फॉर्म होऊ शकतोय. ओनली डॉमिनंट एक्सप्रेस इन हायब्रिड. ओके, वन्स मोर रिपीट. Dominant character heterozygous condition form. Next concept recessive. Dominant and recessive, this concept vice versa. Dominant allies express, recessive not express in allies. The presence of alternative allies. What is mean by recessive? These allies is not expressed in the presence of an alternative allies in heterozygous condition. It is expressed in the presence another identical allies. It is an ally does not express in F1 hybrid. Dominant, yes, dominant is expressed in F1. F1 means first generation express, but recessive character is not expressed in F1 hybrid or first generation is not expressed. This difference of dominant and recessive. Once more, difference between dominant and recessive. Dominance means it is an allies that express it is trait even the presence of alternative allies. Recessive, this allies is not expressed. Okay, is not expressed in the presence of an alternative allies and only on expressed presence of another identical allies. Recessive and dominant alternative allies that expressed in F1. F1 means first generation is called as dominant. Next concept, what is mean by phenotype? Phenotypes means the external appearance of an individual for any trait is called as phenotype for that trait. Phenotypes means external appearance. External means बाहेरील. Individual for any trait is called as phenotype for the trait. It is observable and determined by different combination of allies. For example, height of the stem, plant, tall and dwarf. There are two characters. Height of the stem. Tall is dominant and dwarf is recessive character. They two phenotypes. Tall is determined capital T. Capital T also determine or represent dominant character, or capital T small t also determine or represent hybrid character, and dwarf only on small t also represent as recessive character. Phenotypes means only on external appearance on the individual for any traits is called as phenotypes. Next, what is mean by genotype? It is expression of genetic constitution of individual with respect to a single character. To a single character or set of character. Single also or set of character. For example, P. Tall plants can be genotype. Capital T also represent a tall plant, or small t, capital T and draft will be have small t. Genotype for yellow and round seeds can be capital Y, capital R, capital R. Once more repeat, very important, what is mean by genotype? Genetic constitution or genetic make of an organism with respect to particular trait. Particular trait means single or set of character. Single character also called as set of the character. For example, tall plant. Okay. Next concept, homozygous means pure. Pure means capital T is pure, small t is pure, and an individual. Capital T capital also represent tall plant. It is a dominant character. Small t also represent recessive character. There are two character, capital T, small t. It is a pure character, also called as homozygous character. Definition of homozygous: an individual possessing identical alleles for a particular trait is called as homozygous or pure that the trait. And individual possessing means similar alleles, not dissimilar. Okay? Similar alleles. Similar means same character. Capital T also similar character. Small t also similar character. Example of homozygous: tall plant with capital T and dwarf plant with small t is homozygous. Homozygous means similar. So next, heterozygous. Heterozygous means vice versa of the homozygous. Homo means similar, hetero means dissimilar, same नसणारे or dissimilar. What is mean by heterozygous? An individual possessing dissimilar or contrasting alleles. Contrasting means vice versa. Capital T crossing small t. This is the contrasting alleles for a particular trait is called as heterozygous. Heterozygous does not breed two for the trait and produce two types of the gametes. There are two gametes formed. This gametes is hybrid. Hybrid means mixing, not same, not pure. Hybrid. Pure is homozygous. Hybrid means heterozygous. For example of heterozygous, first generation hybrid, capital T, small t. There are different or dissimilar character. Capital T is similar character, but capital T and small t is different or dissimilar character is called as heterozygous. This example, F1 generation hybrids, capital T, small t. This is a hybrid. Next concept, pure lines. What is mean by pure lines? An individual or group of individual means population that is homozygous or two breeding of one or more traits. What is mean by pure lines? Pure means homozygous lines. An individual or group of individuals means population which is homozygous or true breeding for one or more trait is called as pure line. That is, plant which breed true for the particular character means a particular character. For example, capital T, capital T. This is the particular character or true breeding or homozygous individual or population or group. This is the pure lines. Next concept, monohybrid. What is mean by mono? Mono means single or one. Hybrids means mix or contrasting character. A definition of monohybrid, it is heterozygous. Yes, students, what is mean by heterozygous? Yes, heterozygous means dissimilar character, not same. It is heterozygous for one trait and is produced from a cross between two pure parent different in single pair or contrasting character. For example, hybrid tall. Hybrid tall means capital T, small t is hybrid tall produced in cross between pure tall. Pure tall also represent capital T and pure draft parent small t is pure draft parent. It is heterozygote for a single pair of allies. Once more, what is mean by monohybrid? Mono means single or one. Hybrids means mix or contrasting character. It is heterozygous for one trait and produced in cross between two pure parents. There are two pure parents, capital T and small t, different in a single pair of contrasting character. Capital T, small t is contrasting pair. Example, hybrid, tall, pure, tall, and draft parent. Next, F1 generation. Next concept, F1 generation. F means first, 1 means first generation. F stands for filial meaning offspring. First offspring means child or son. Produce in sexual reproduction. Filial, F stand for filial meaning offspring. 1 mean first, generation mean generation किंवा पिढी. First generation पहिली पिढी. What is mean by F1 generation? It is refer to that first filial. First filial meaning offspring. Generation. It consists of all offspring. All offspring produced from a parental cross. Alternative, it is first generation from a given mating between pure parents having contrasting character. काय फॉर्म होता है तर प्युअर parents having contrasting character or their show the pregnancy offspring produced from a cross is called as first filial or F1 transition. It is a show uniform expression. एक सारखं express होते uniformly expression. So guys, I hope you have understand in this concept. So start the solving assignment or activity of this chapter. In related this chapter, first activity, complete the following chart. Complete the following the chart. You can send us your queries or difficult personal discuss with me. Thank you.